Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Arc Raiders game not launching, not loading, crashing, lagging or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The first method is to restart the game. For that, first select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit option. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. For that, open settings, then select device and connections. Now click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and finally select clear persistent storage. Next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, now select settings, then choose network settings, then click on test network connection, then wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next method is to check for Arc Raiders update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available and then check if the problem is fixed. Next method is to clear cache of Arc Raiders. For that, press Xbox guide, then click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All. Here search for Arc Raiders, then press menu, then select Manage Game and Add-ons, then tap on Save Data, and click on Reserve Space. Finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, first press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then choose system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the update process. Next method is to check storage. For that, first press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system, then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games and to create space, and after that check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to reinstall Arc Raiders. So for that, then first press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Arc Raiders, press menu button, then select Uninstall. After the game is removed, open Arc Raiders official website and then download the game again and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, then a final method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can also raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end, and hopefully you can play the game without any kind of issues on Xbox. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.